Good morning. Pre-session simulation for Wednesday. Today is the 4th. Yep, 4th of August 2021. And I just picked the date here. It's going to be 22nd of January 2020. So let's go over it. So this is the daily here. 22nd, you see here. We are 2 hours before the session, New York session. The daily seems to be going up. Going to put a few lines here. Seems that we are at support there. We seem to be at support there. And we seem to have resistance just there. That's what I see for now. Other than that, we have another resistance in here. And in the bottom side, we have like this one here. So that should be enough for the daily. Cloning those lines. That's the 4 hours chart. Seems to be going bullish, but we have this resistance here. So we gotta be careful with this. In the 4 hour, what I see is that if we break this high here, we should be able to fill this week at 16 pips there, and maybe go to this daily resistance, which is 30 pips, and maybe even 37. Yeah, so that's the look on the 4 hours. It seems that we are going bullish. We did bounce from here. So this was support, became resistance. We are bouncing up, and we should be good if we break this high here. I would be very interested in this buy. So what? So this line and this line, also going to clone them to the 1 hour. All right. So the 1 hour looks like this, and we have now to break this zone here. We have to break this in order to continue going up, or more difficult in the bottom side. We need to break this, get this weak fill, but this is a troublesome price action. You have loads of supports here. It's different from going up, which is more clean. But this weak fill should be clean also. Let's see how it behaves. Okay, we are 1 hour before New York. Let's play this. It seems to be going up in line with the 4 hours. Let me see if I grab an entry in the 30 minutes. Oh, just in the first minute it went up all that 13 pips still there. Well, if we break, I will set a pending just above this high here. Above this high. Let's see. Ooh, it's there. Okay, it's right there. Right there. So what about my stop? Can I do a 18? Kind of. put this on here also. I don't have much range. That's where I'm going to be taking partials there. Like at 10 pips, 11 maybe, I will be taking partials. My stop will be below here. And I'll let the rest run much probably to, yeah, to go over in the next. Mm. Okay, so I'm buying here 2%. I know I don't have a favorable risk reward here, but I'm conscious of that. I'm conscious of that, and what I will try to do is to manage my risk as it comes down. If it comes down, I'll just manage my risk and try not to get a full stop. Um, Visual mode 2%, buy, stop below, M30, M15, 1 hour, that's 20 pips, and yeah, I'm going to put this red line here, but as you know, I will be taking partials here, so let's see how it plays. For now, it's tricking me up. Ooh. See this M15, very ugly, very ugly. Okay. Okay, close very bullish, very nice. And it's going up. Okay. We don't have much yet. Just 6 pips, which is ridiculous. And we already hit that thing there. Let's see if it goes a bit more, but if it comes to my entry, I think I'll close it because I don't like this. And the idea was to manage my risk and my trade as it goes. So 8. Let me just take 50%. I'm just going to take 50% because we are at resistance here. More than that, I'm going to take 80%. Okay, just to secure, And because I think it will come to break even, so I'm taking most of it. I know it's not a good risk reward, but I was conscious. Um, mm, so close partial, close 80%. Okay, so let me see the 1 hour now. Okay, what I want is for this to continue. If it goes over this resistance here, I will be interested in another trade for this clean traffic in the left side, and that is a better trade than this one. Okay, so let's see what M15 does. I'm going to break even my trade here. Let's see. Yeah. What a shame. What a shame. Came out to stop me. But I was expecting resistance there, so nothing wrong. What? Okay. We are almost breaking the high there. Almost. Almost. Oops. We broke up. Okay. Now we broke all this up. Oh, this one has no week. Oh, the 1 hour is still going. You see, that's the trade I cannot get in. This is something I cannot get in because we have no week here, and this is very risky for me. What a shame. And yeah, it went a lot to the upside. What a shame this one came down. Yeah, yeah, but I cannot get into this trade like this. Like, very difficult, very, very difficult. Because we broke, well, we, just the problem is this no wick here. It's to me is very troublesome. So I'm going to let it play. It's a shame, but it is what it is. And let's wait for the next 15 minutes to say something. Okay, 15 minutes has closed. Closed bullish there. Okay, now we might have something here. So this is the 15 minutes. Let me clone this line. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, if we break this high, we have this clean traffic here that should make us go to this zone in here. It should, because that's the 4 hour close. Oops, that red line is the 4 hour close, but very often we go over it before coming down. So yeah, we broke this one. This one was this support here, it's resistance. Yeah. All right. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. But the thing is, we have to break this high on the 15 minute, okay? So I'm going to set a pending there. Let me just double check the trade. 4 hours looking great, clean traffic, etc. Oh, that was the daily line, not the 4 hour line. The 4 hour line is a little above. I'm going to replace this, okay? Okay, and update. So, update. Okay, in 1 hour is just in that zone I was talking about. Just that. M30 breaking higher. We still have that no week on M30. Did we close M30? No, not yet. Yeah. You know what? I'm not taking this trade. I'm not taking this trade yet. I'm going to wait for M30 to close, and then if M30 closes like this, I will be very interested in breaking the high to take a position. But like this, I'm not confident because of this week in here. There is no week. The M15 looks great, but M30 is bigger. you know, M30 like as more, I have more respect for M30 and very little for M15. Also, the 1 hour has this big bullish candle, and I don't know, it might retrace something weak, and you know, so I'm waiting for the next M30 close to see what happens. Okay, let me check on M15. Okay, we didn't broke the high anyway, not yet at least. Oh, we broke now. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Okay, M30 has closed, and this is. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. M30 has closed. As I said, I'm gonna take the break here of the high. Uh, very bullish 1 hour candle. Uh, yeah, we are just so close now to this resistance that I cannot do anything here. Sorry, sorry for that, but I cannot do it. I just cannot do it. We broke the high. Okay, that would have been a good trade in M15, but I was afraid of M30, so it would have been a good trade here in this break. In this break, no. But it is what it is. I missed it. So we still have time. Let me see the sessions. Yeah, we are still 1 hour before New York, so we have plenty of time. Let's continue playing this. Oh man, it clean all the clean traffic there. Amazing. Just as I was predicting, I just didn't have the guts to go in. Amazing, amazing. Look at this. I just took a little position that got break even, and yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good to know. It's good to know when your gut feeling is right, your analysis is right. Okay, now we should have some rejection from here. This is the 1 hour chart, and we are rejecting that zone for now. After this, man, I don't even know where is the next. Oh, if we break this up, ooh, man, this is going to be big if we break this up. But to break this up, man, this is daily resistance here, not something small. So I'm not expecting to break this up in this session. Those 1 hour weeks, though, those are major reversal points, right? Because we can see here in 4 hours, look, look at those rejections here. So this is very tricky area. If you go above in here, maybe. This is a New York candle now. We are opening New York in 3 minutes. Are we going to? Ooh, man. Can we feel this week? Can we feel this week? That's 16 pips there. 16 pips if we break the high of M30. And this is the New York candle. Okay, if I set the pending here, I'm just going to simulate that. Okay, trades, pending, buy stop. So if I set the pending just there, What's the high is 35.20. My stop would be in here. That's only 7 pips? No, no, no. It's 20 pips. So my target would be something like 20 pips. No, my target is the weak fill in the 1 hour, at least for the partials. Then we just don't know. I'm just doing this. I'm 30. So let's see. I don't want this order to be activated too soon. Okay, because we really have to break this high. This is at 35.20, 36.20, 37.20, 37.40. So it's 2 pips above this high, and hoping that doesn't get triggered. Um, okay, so let's see. Let's play this. Okay, we broke above. We broke above. So let me see the time. 8 minutes in. Okay, let me check that weak field. It's very important to check that. So that will be just in here. Just oops, 15 minutes. Check the 15 minutes. Close bullish. Let me just clone this line to the M15. Oh, we broke higher. Oh, almost. Bit more. Yeah, broke, break, 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 break. There are 5 pips in. Uh, many pips we have? 7, 6. I'm just scared of this zone, right? Because those weeks they are, they are just freaking me out, freaking me out. I know we had broke above. We, yeah, everything is good on the M30, M15 for now. But if I see this M30 flipping bearish, I just got it. Okay, I just got maybe the whole trade because the last thing I want to see is rejection in this zone. Okay, so um, let's play. Was bullish, which is good, but with rejection. So we gotta be very careful here. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. No, I'm cutting the whole trade here. You see, it was not a good idea with those weak fields in there, those rejections in there. Not a good idea at all. I was wondering, maybe we still can get the weak field, you know. Oh, I just maybe too soon. Uh, it's just now, man. When you have because we broke the low here in M30, So no, 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 no. I know this is just a bit, yeah, no. In M15 you can see this support resistant kind of thing. It's just I got nervous with those wicks. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. Ah, we are going. That's it. We are going. What a shame. That would be my partial there. It's just, okay, do I have any? Yeah, I have an M15 close, another M15 close. Okay, so the lesson here, you don't cut the whole trade. You don't cut the whole trade. I tend to do that a lot. You don't cut the whole trade. You leave the trade, okay? You leave half of the trade going, at least, okay? So that half of the trade would have paid for the stop and more. So that's something that we have to that I have to put in my mind. Yeah. And not get scary because the candle didn't close yet, you know. It break the low. It's a big red flag there. Okay. And also M15 closed bearish, so I should have cut 50% in here. And I cut it too late. Too late. I was watching M30 instead. I cut it too late. This is to cut 50% here, maybe another 50% here, or wait for the bounce in this area, and if it comes down, if it continues coming down, then you cut another 50%. But yeah. Anyway, let's continue to play. Let's the 1 hour is almost breaking there. Crazy, crazy price action. What a shame. All my trades were good. All my trades were good. And in the first one, I just took a little bit, and this second one, I just messed up. Yeah. Okay, we broke that week, and let's see rejection here, rejection on M30. Now this is very interesting again if we break up, because if we break up, that's another level of trading, because that's a lot of clean traffic in the 4 hours if we break this up. I'm going to put this line here. So that's one. But you also have problems here. This week here, still is a lot of room there. Okay, so this might be interesting if we break this. Could be very, very interesting if we break this up. So let's play. We are 2 hours into New York. Let's see if we find support here. That would be ideal, to find some sort of support here in order to go up. This is a bearish 1 hour close. Pin bar bearish at resistance. But we need to close below this. We need something. We need some. I'm not interested in trading the downside in this big move upper trend. So I need some sort of support to form. And probably we have like 2 hours to trade, so I don't know. Well, this video is getting long. Wow. Wow. So that would be my counter trend trade, but I'm not into that. Okay, let me M30. Alright. This on here bouncing. Yeah, would see you see this is not a break and retest. This is not there's no support there. So this should continue going down. 1 hour bearish close at resistance. Normally this is a sell for me, but with this kind of price action going up, I just cannot do it. I just cannot. Ooh. So basically we are bouncing from where are we bouncing from? Yeah, this 1 hour line here, but this is not even. Oh, we are bouncing from the 4 hour. We came here again, but in that same week. No, that's not the action I want to see. Let's see if we can break that high. So this is not, I'm not taking this one because we are not bouncing from a zone like this, right? Not, but if it was, I would be entering immediately, but it's not. If we break that high, I'm very interested in getting into the trade. Or if we break this support here, that's another way I can get into a trade. Because now we create the range. Now we have a range, and if the range breaks down, we have something. Okay, I'm going to put the range here, kind of this. Okay, we need to go below this week though, and we are out of time. So unfortunately, this is going to be it, unless we break high in this next half an hour or something. Because this is London close already, not good to trade anymore. You see, if I entered here, I would be in trouble by now. I would be closing 50%. You see, because it's not bouncing from a zone like this, you know. Okay, but the lesson for today, and I'm going to stop the simulation. This is London close. Let's just see if we break up or down. Okay, so I'm going moving to the next bar, and this video is long already. Okay, we are going down. We are going down. Definitely going down. Well, we didn't broke the week yet. So let's see. Let's see if we break. No. Oh man. Okay, so this is ranging as you can see. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Um, yeah. So the lesson for today is don't close the full position. Don't close. I often do that. I often do that. So I need to be very worried, very wary of that. Okay. Don't close the full position. I'm going to upload this video now and start my trading session. Good morning, everyone. Let's go.